This woman puts garlic under her son's pillow every night. You will do the same when you find out why. Garlic is said to be one of the healthiest foods you can find, as it is abundant in nutrients and provides various health benefits. To reap its health benefits, you need to consume garlic on a regular basis. Some of its benefits include preventing and treating various health issues, such as relieving cold and flu, cleansing the arteries and purifying the blood, working against liver issues, preventing and treating baldness, helping with respiratory issues, and many more. Interestingly, Egyptians used to chew raw garlic in order to obtain its potent antibiotic and medicinal properties, which they needed while working on the pyramids. Garlic contains allicin, a compound whose effect is enhanced when it is crushed and destroyed when you cook the garlic. As a recommendation, simply crush the garlic, leave it for about 15 minutes, and consume afterwards. It is also recommended to add some parsley and vegetable oil in order to neutralize its strong smell. Why put garlic under your pillow? Did you know that some people place garlic under their pillow before bedtime in order to improve their sleep? On the other hand, many people keep garlic in their pocket for a good luck. Additionally, there are people who rub their kitchen appliances, such as pots and pans, with garlic in order to get rid of the negativity which might have contaminated the food itself. This is the reason behind putting garlic under the pillow or in your pocket. This simple trick will help you eliminate negative spirits around you and get a good night's rest.